The script was taken to Fox, RKO, Warner Brothers, all of the studios. They read it and they said, silly, stupid little Irish story. It'll never make a penny. It'll never be any good. And John Wayne and I used to go into the studio and say, Mr. Ford, if you don't hurry up, I'll have to pay the widow woman's role and Duke will have to pay Victor McLaughlin's role because we'll be too old. Finally, John Wayne, who was at that time under contract to a minor studio, in spite of the fact that he was the top star in the world, called Republic Studios. And the head of the studio was a man called Yates. And he said to Mr. Ford, he said, let me take the script in to Herb Yates. And in desperation, Ford said, all right. So Mr. Yates read the script. And his reaction was exactly the same. He said, that silly, stupid little Irish story would never make a penny, but to snag John Ford and Marion C. Cooper, the two top men in Hollywood, he was willing to gamble. And he said, very well, I will finance it on one condition, that you make a Western first with the same cast, same director, same everybody, to finance and make up for the money I'm going to lose on The Quiet Man. So we made Rio Grande to raise the money to make The Quiet Man, and we made it in 1951, and Mr. Herb Yates left a great estate behind him when he died, thanks to that silly little Irish story.
Isn't that a lovely story? Great story. Great.